It is shocking. Today, 33 जे म्हाका दिसता 33 आमदार आहाय, they are all silent. Why are they silent? Because तांकां कितें फतवा ओ कितें येला काय कितें तोंड बंद करपाक. Why are you silent? Why are you not fighting? This is not about the Congress party or the Aam Aadmi party or the Goa Forward party or RG or BJP. This is about Goa and Goans. We should fight together. The Chief Minister has announced, he has announced that he would lead a delegation, he and the WRD Minister to the Prime Minister. We tell the Chief Minister that once you lead the delegation, make sure that within a week's time, you withdraw, ask the Honorable Prime Minister and withdraw this DPR, failing to which you should resign on moral grounds. We will back you. You resign if you are unable to do it. See, the court, finally, justice will prevail. We all have faith in the court. But this is a political setup and our democratic rights. So, Sarkar, always they try to curtail it. We condemn such moves. We also resolved that immediately there should be a session called and we should discuss on a day on this. Think we say bond room on, and even the press are not. They let the people know that which MLAs and which political parties are serious about